Hi friends, this is Subhash here. I am a Goan YouTuber and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. So I am heading towards Belgaum. It's right now I am at Kulem in almost 1 kilometer away. It's a Molem checkpost this side. So this is my first ride on this my bike. It's Xpulse 200. So it is first ride. So I'm not riding it too hard. I don't want to put pressure on my partner because my partner is good. I am good. So I just ride it in the speed of 70. Let's see what I'll do. I'll just come back from there around 300 kilometers. Running will be today. I just carry my bag in case I have to stay. That's why I carried my bag also for one day maybe. I'll show you the meter of this bike because that average speed is showing around 45 kilometers. If the Xpulse owner is watching me now, just tell me. Okay, I'll show you that first. Now you can see here the average is 44. Before it was 45 to 46. This is a F5 version. Just tell me if the any Xpulse owner is having this. Just let me know in the comments please. Okay, I'm heading towards now this way. It's almost 3 hours maybe more riding. 1 kilometer away a checkpost this side, and this road is for Dusagar, Kulem. Kulem is almost 5 kilometers away from this side. Maybe I'll take most of the long rides in future. So if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, I am near to Belgaum city because I have taken the outside road, and this is the road I showed in my last video, which is Goa to Kolhapur ride, and that's the Khanapur that side. I'll show you. Okay, this side is the Khanapur. When I was riding my Apache, I used to use this road because of that I have put an answer on that. So there's the fort on this mountain there. I forgot the name, but I'll add in the title. This is the road connects to the highway. After that mountain. So why I choose this road? Because there's this 5 kilometers around a total off-road. I wanted to test my bike, how it works, how it runs on that road. So I just feel satisfied the way that machine behaves. It's totally different, and I must say that this is not my mistake or something like that. I have mistaken this buying this bike because totally one of the best machine I have experienced now on my long route. This is first long route on this bike. Not riding too fast, just only 70 kilometers per hour. But what happens, I don't have to slow down on these roads and all because of rough road and all, because this suspension takes care of everything. So I just wanted to test the bike, that's why I came here. Next time I won't be coming from this side. So some other day I will go on this top because I have short of time today. I have to come back also for getting dark. So that road gets closed there, which connects to Khanapur to Anmod. That's the forest road that gets closed around 6 o'clock. That's why before that I have to cross that road. Otherwise I'll have to take the Londa road. After 7-8 kilometers, this road connects to the highway, Bangalore-Pune highway. See you some other places where I get stopped. I'll show you there. Okay then. Right, that was the fort there. I showed this place in my last video also. Next time I won't be coming here this way. Okay, this is the Belgaum highway. Almost 3 kilometers I came up, ride on the highway here. This side is the city here. It's the Belgaum city. Now I have to ride around 50 kilometers from this side on this highway. Only 70 speed I will ride in. Let's see how much mileage I get. So Sankeshwar I'm riding from here. Okay, let's go now. This is Hattarki. I'll show you what you see here. It's showing 47 average. I ride on around 70, 72, 73 speed. Now it's blinking here. See, 47. Okay, let's go. Now I'm reached here where I wanted to go. Sankeshwar is around 10 kilometers away from here. I'll show you the odometer now. It's 156 kilometers I have ridden. 3 hours 16 minutes. Okay then, I'll do some my work here for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll get back to home again. I hope I can see something more if I got chance. Yeah friends, I'm done here. I'm leaving. It's 2:45 now. It just took me 15-20 minutes there. I'm leaving to Goa from here. It's very cold here. It's cold air is blowing compared to Goa. So let's see now how long it takes to reach there in Goa. Get my home. Okay, let's go. Now look at this. This is now showing 48, 1300 kilometer right now, 3 o'clock. Okay, let's go. Go now. Okay, now look at this. Now it's 49. Maybe I can't go up. I won't be able to hit around 50, I think, because the city is 5 kilometers away. I have to leave the highway then. Because on highway, that's why the numbers goes up here. Okay, let's go. I crossed the city here, Belgaum city. This is the outside road. That's the road of Chorla Ghat. And this is the Anmod Ghat here. I am taking this road always. This is Khanapur now. I am at Khanapur. It's right there. I just wanted to show you the roads they build here. It's the road. They will take this road from outside of Khanapur. Almost 2 years they were building this road. So it's a better road to those who come to South Goa. This is the one of the best road to go to Goa here from Belgaum city. And those who come from Hubli, from like Telangana states, they have to come from Londa and all Hubli side. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, I'm in Goa now. There's the Karnataka this way and this is Goa here. Welcome back home. Around 250 kilometer is ridden till now. I'll show you. It's 263 from my home, and this is still 48. You can see here, still 48. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is Sour Dam here. I'm at Sour Dam, almost 15 kilometers away from my home now. I just had a chai pani here, this stall. I always, when I come from this side at this time, I stay here. He makes nice chai pani, rose omelette or something like that. I just had it. Okay, let's go home now. Okay friends, I'm at home now. Not home, but in my town now. This is our church here in the village. I'm almost done now. So bike is here. So it's almost 7 o'clock now in the evening. I left around 3 o'clock. It took me around 4 hours to reach here. I'll show you the odometer of this. Okay, this is around 48 till now. What the average that shows here. You see, a good mileage bike has given, I think, because the tank is still half because of side stand. It is a little bit down now. Okay, I'll tell about the bike now, how it performs. It's one of the best machine I ever enjoyed riding. Many times I go to Belgaum or something or different places with different bikes. I have ridden there. 1,000 times I've been out of Goa. I tell you what, more than 1,000 times I have been outside of Goa on the bike, and this is the one of the best machine I have ridden till now. Why I'm talking about suspension? There's almost Belgaum is 115 kilometer, and what you get 50 kilometers off-roading you will get on the way. Everywhere when you go out of Goa you will get some off-roading, and this is the machine that I never accepted. This machine will perform like this. One of the great suspension they had in this machine. I'll not talk about engine and all. I'll just talk about suspension and the comfort and the handling. This is what I want to talk about the bike. This is one of the best bike I ever ridden now. So I ride this bike around 70 to 73 in between. Still the half tank is remaining there. Now how much I didn't show I'll show you the kilometers. Okay, the 297 kilometers, and my home is around more 2 kilometers from here. We can count more 17 kilometers because I always turn off the bike engine when I'm coming down from the ghats, so let the bike engine get rest sometimes. That's why I always turn off the engine. Otherwise it would be around 320 kilometers. Okay, I'll talk about gears. There is a little bit difference in the first gear and second gear. That combination doesn't match here because I don't know how they build us, and the sixth gear is missing in this. On highway we can understand that would be sixth gear in this, or the fifth gear is little bit bigger the wheel on the fifth gear. It would be much better and more mileage would be. If any Xpulse owner is watching me, tell me in comments that the average how many they get, even carburetor and F5 also, F5 version, and the person who wants to buy this bike, they can go for it. It's the one of the best machine they will have. You don't have to disappoint. You will never disappoint on this machine. I'm not talking about power and all, because of the suspension and the posture we get and the handling of this bike. Okay, then if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, Okay, then see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.